Friends, today we all are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Do you know why we are using the term Amrit for independence? Why we are using the term Amrit for independence? The answer of it is that whenever we get something after a lot of struggle, it is as equal as Amrit. And like when the gods and demons both did the Sagar Manthan to get the Amrit. Similarly, our freedom fighters shedded their blood, sacrificed their body to bring our country into brightness. They let us live in the independent India. They also made us independent and made India, the country of ours, immortal in the heart of all Indians. The freedom fighters made us independent, but what that interest there? We Indians together achieved a lot of achievements which made India great. So today I will tell you 5 remarkable achievements that completely transformed the whole India. First, creating the constitutions. When the constitutions were created, creating the constitutions is the basic role and the first role of every country. When our constitutions were created, we were given the title of the best democratic country in the whole world. Second, Green Revolution. Yes, when Green Revolution started, it made us self-sufficient on crops production. It also stopped us from dying of hunger. Third, Science and Technology. We have made a remarkable progress in science and technology and have already launched Chandrayaan 3. We are about to touch the moon soon. Also, can you believe that our IT services almost make the 10% of our GDP, which is quite huge. Fourth, Right to Education. Yes, when the Right to Education Act was passed in 2010, it gave fundamental rights to all children to attend elementary school. Fifth, Financial Revolution. When the financial revolution started in 1991, it gave favorable market to all the foreign investors. Some other milestones were Jan Dhan Yojana, DBTL and cashless economy. And last but not the least, Vocal for Local. Yes, these achievements made India great and a wonderful country. Now I would like to end my speech with a quote of Jawaharlal Nehru. Ask not what the country does for you. Ask what you do for your country. Thank you and once again wish you a very happy Independence Day.